flex fuel. Move quickly. How satisfying is it knowing you are always prepared with the all-around performance of this good-looking 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's a superb van that we have placed at a fantastic price. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery.